Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing the preparation of the GCSE exams and looking at paper 2 and using some ideas around on several websites, Just Maths, Corporate Maths and all those, about what topics might come up in paper 2 and 3 that didn't come up in paper 1. Some topics on factors. So first thing we're going to look at is a product of prime factors. So product meaning multiplying. Primes, we should know the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. And then factors, the numbers that make up bigger numbers by multiplying. So first thing we do is divide that by the smallest prime that we know. It's even, so it's going to be 2. That leaves us with 36. Divide that by 2 again because it's even. Divide that one by 2. Divide and get to 9. Now that's not even, so the next prime up is going to be 3, leaving us with 3. And we know once we get a prime, we circle it to stop the branches. This gives us a factor tree. And so we can write 72 as a product of its prime factors because we know that 8 times 9 gives us 72. Quickly, the next thing I want to show you about factors was highest common factor and lowest common multiple. For instance, if I take that 72 and then I have 48 and I want to know what its highest common factor and lowest common multiple are, well, if you have seen my other videos, it's the table method. We again go for the lowest common factor, that's a prime from them, and it's 2. And so I'll go, well, that's even, that's 36, that's 24. Divide them both through again, they're both even, so I can divide through by 2 again. I get 18 and 12, they're still even, so I can divide through again. I get 9 and I get 6, and I can still divide them by the next prime factor, which will be 3. But I stop when I get a prime in this row here. So I draw a line there. Now those become my highest common factor when I multiply them. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which is 24. And that'll give me the highest common factor of 72 and 48. Now if I look at this L shaped here, that gives me the lowest common multiple, 24 times 3 times 2, 24 times 6, which will give me 144, and that's the lowest common multiple. Okay, so that was just quickly going over factors, product of prime factors, and highest common factor, lowest common multiple in this table method. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and good luck for the exams.